Hi everybody and welcome. It is day 24 of Treasure Trovember. This is our 30-day mixed media collage challenge. Day 24, we're getting very close to the end. If you have just discovered this video, because YouTube does that, and you want to know what the heck Treasure Trovember is, I'm going to put a link down below to the welcome video that explains the challenge, and you can jump right in. If you've been playing along for a while, I am so happy you are still here. We are almost finished. Day 24. Day 24, the prompt is add a number. Add a number to your collage today, and then come back tomorrow for day 25.